This is an anesthesia machine that we use in our hospital. I'm going to be going over the parts of the anesthesia machine. The first part is the flow meter, which is this. It allows the anesthetist to control the amount of gas that goes into the system. It controls the amount of oxygen that the patient gets during surgery. The second part is the vaporizer, which is this, which it takes your anesthesia in liquid form and turns it into vapor form, and then you can also, turn it, and it controls the amount of anesthesia that the patient gets under surgery. The third part of the machine is the reservoir bag, which it stores gas, and it helps when the patient is breathing. You can see the breathing, so you can monitor how they're breathing under surgery. And these come in various different sizes. We have a couple different sizes. Just for example, we have small, which is a 5 liter. We have medium, which is 1. We have large, which is 2, and we also have larger, a 3 and a 4. The fourth part of the anesthesia machine is the pop-off valve, which is this, which it gets rid of excess gas that's in the circuit. And it's always good to keep this open, because if it's closed, the gas can build up in the lungs in the patient during surgery, and that's not good. Okay, so that's the fifth part of the machine is the carbon dioxide canister, which is this, which the excess gas, if it doesn't go to the pop-off valve, it goes to this. And what's in here is called soda lime. It's a chemical that absorbs oxygen. And when this is white and when it turns purple, that means it's time to change it. The sixth part of the anesthesia machine is the flush valve, which is located back here in the center of the flow meter, which when it's pure oxygen. It delivers pure oxygen. So it's good for after surgery, waking up a patient, to push this a couple times to get rid of the anesthesia that's in there and just give them pure oxygen to wake up one. The next part of the machine is the manometer, which is right here, and it shows the pressure of the gas. So when the patient inhales and exhales, it shows the pressure that they can go up one. The next part of the machine is the negative pressure right here. This little knob here, it gives room air. If you push it, it delivers room air. So if there's a patient that's going under cardiac arrest or just something major, you can get room air in there and get them back. This is the Y tubing that we use for surgery and anesthesia. This can be attached to the endotracheal tube or an induction mask to deliver anesthesia. And the last part of the anesthesia machine is the oxygen. The oxygen tank is located back here. We keep it underneath, and that's how the oxygen is delivered. And this system is a rebreathing system. We only have rebreathing. We don't have a non-rebreathing system, but non-rebreathing is for smaller animals between 5 and 10 pounds, no more than that. So that's the oxygen machine. Some induction equipment here we have some induction masks. We have a smaller mask and we have a larger mask, and they are attached to the Y tubing here, to anesthetize patients. This could be used for a small kitty cat, whatever. The medium one is used more often for cats and dogs. And sometimes if you have a bird or something, you can kind of stick in there and hold it and cover it up, and it gives them the proper anesthesia that they need. Another induction agent we have here, we have this container here with the tube up here, and you can still connect the tubing to the tube here, and that delivers anesthesia. This is good for rodents or small animals that can't quite fit into a mask and you can't really hold down. That's what this is good for.